7 guys for rehearsing ng next day. I think they represent 2, 4, 6, 7. Ito nga. Ate sila nga yung stand-in. Practice for the camera. Ani, kunyari lang sila yung 7. So alam na nung camera kung saan yung they are rehearsing for. And 7 guys. So the cameraman can practice. Yeah.
Look at the lights.
They are rehearsing.
Walang libre.